Kung ikaw ay nagbebenta, nagtuturo, nag-assist, or nagtitrain online, you are a hero. You are helping build a better economy one click at a time.
Hi mga kanegosyo! Welcome back sa tambayan ng mga future founders, freelancers, at fearless dreamers. Ito ang Startup
Now na,
Usapang Payaman, Online Tambayan.
Today, we're celebrating our country's heroes, yung mga lumaban para sa kasarinlan natin noon ng buong tapang. Pero alam nyo ba, na meron pa rin tayong mga modern day heroes na nakakasama sa araw-araw?
Tama, hindi lang sila nasa history books. Minsan, nasa bahay lang. Naka-headset, naka-laptop, nagtuturo, nagbebenta, o nag-aasikaso ng clients dito man sa Pilipinas o sa abroad. Tahimik lang sila kumikilos, pero malaki ang impact nila.
So let's dive right in and shine a light on the everyday champions shaping our business world today.
Let's start with this idea. Heroism is service. Hindi mo kailangan magbubis ng buhay para matawag kang bayani. Minsan, sapat na ang pagbibigay ng oras, kaalaman, at lakas para sa kapwa.
I totally agree with you, Bri. Like our virtual teachers, they guide students and professionals online. Kahit mahirap ang setup, kahit unstable ang internet, they show up. And that's heroic.
Correct. We also have online sellers who hustle day and night para makapagbigay ng produkto sa mga customers. Di lang sila nagnenegosyo. They're building trust and giving quality products one transaction at a time.
BPO workers are amazing too. They carry the weight of global operations. Pero sa likod ng bawat call, may Pilipinong lumalaban para sa pamilya. Kahit nakakapagod, kahit nakakaantok.
Very heroic. Let us not forget our kababayans who work as virtual assistants too. They manage schedules, solve problems, and keep businesses running, often behind the scenes. Pero kung wala sila, magkakaroon ng operational challenges.
We also have content creators, coaches, and consultants who offer free mentorship about various topics like digital marketing and financial literacy. Hindi lang sila nag-entertain. They educate and they empower. Kahit hindi rin nare-realize ng marami kasi akala nila social media influencers lang.
That's really sad even for community managers and social media strategists who build spaces for people to connect, learn, and grow. They turn digital noises into meaningful engagements. They are called content creators and influencers because they create purposeful contents that influence people to do good. Kaya wala talagang profession na dapat nilalang lang.
Let us also mention our hardworking delivery riders and logistics coordinators. Sila ang tulay ng e-commerce. Rain or shine, traffic or no traffic, they make sure that goods and other essentials reach customers.
Ang galing, no? These roles may seem ordinary, pero kung titingnan mo closely, they are acts of quiet heroism. They uplift others, they create opportunities, and they prove that impact doesn't always need a spotlight.
Kaya sa mga nakikinig, kung ikaw ay nagbebenta, nagtuturo, nag-assist, or nagtitrain online, you are a hero. You are helping build a better economy one click at a time.
And if you're just starting out, remember, heroism isn't about perfection. It's about intention. Gusto mo makatulong, maglingkod, at magtagumpay, iyan ang simula sa pagiging bayani.
Speaking of heroes who dream to serve the community, I remembered, Bri, it is now time to announce the auspicious 13 Negosyo Puhunan Package chosen beneficiaries.
After a thorough process of assessment of the participants' qualifications, we are proud to announce the chosen beneficiaries of the Filipino Mirror's auspicious 13 Negosyo Puhunan Package. Maraming salamat sa pagsali at muli, congratulations! Katuwang mo ang Filipino Mirror sa pagsisimula ng mas asensadong negosyo. So mga kanegosyo, as we commemorate the lives of our national heroes who fought for freedom and peace centuries ago, let us also honor our modern heroes, not just with words, but with action. Support local, share knowledge, and uplift each other.
In today's world, heroism takes different forms. Sometimes it looks like service, hustle, or even a kind heart. And sometimes you can find them in a virtual call, in an online shopping platform, or maybe even in your inbox.
If you found this episode inspiring, please like, share, and follow our page for more words of advice on startups and other business matters. This has been Brian
And Hannah, see you again soon here in Startup
Now na! Usapang Payaman, Online Tambayan. Tama. Ano na yun? Tama. Sorry. Wala yun.